After some time, when you open your PC or laptop, your feeling is getting slower every day, and you have not installed anything new, just daily use. Apps takes longer to open, games don't feel smooth anymore, and your PC fans sound like a jet engine. And you tried all these steps and tricks to enhance Windows by cutting that service or this application or startup menus and all this kind of tools or tips to help you reduce the load on your CPU or RAM. In this video, I introduce you to a tool. I tried it myself, applied it to Windows 11, what I have, and actually I got great results. It's faster than before, and I work smoothly on it, which is called RapidOS. So it's actually just a tweaking tool. You install it in the top of your Windows 11, and you're gonna do the following by removing your unnecessary application, disabling background services, and reduce telemetry, optimizing performance settings as well. Basically, it just cut off all the services you don't require or you don't need, and the application you don't use actually. So this will help you to reduce the load in your performance on your CPU or not. And add to that, you can even enhance the security of your Windows. But there's a downside. If you're using some application, maybe rely on these services, maybe it won't work. Or even some games, maybe it runs on the same service, exactly it won't work. So if you rely on specific software as well, so you should be careful when you install this. Before installing RapidOS, and necessary to do a backup for your files and system. First thing, you can do a restore point from Windows, and from there create that restore point. So anything happen after that, if you don't like it, you can just go back to the restore point. I suggest also to install even a third-party application that can save the file or backup files outside of your laptop, then you can restore it back again when you need it. So the real question, should you use RapidOS? It's just for people or users who actually having a slow laptop or PC, or you're someone who like tweaking your system and you want less Windows plots. And of course, you're not using your PC laptop for business or office. But if in case if you're running maybe Atlas OS or any other OS on the top of your Windows and everything okay with you, you don't have any issues, I don't think you need to install RapidOS in this case. If you have any question, let me know in the comment below and answer you as soon as possible. Peace.